The saga has just begun. I'll explain and we'll get into it right after the intro. What's going on, world? It's your man Pat Caesar, Seasall LLC, mobile mechanic and roadside services. It's about the pressing day right now, so 24 hours in, we've got the transmission in the old caddy. Y'all remember this, man? And well, it doesn't work. After all the prep work, all the cleaning, all that good jazz, she ain't shifting right, man. She got first and I put like 4 of these in there. These are 1 gallons, just some, you know, some super tech cheapy, just to make sure everything was everything. And so this is what happened. It got first gear, then it wouldn't catch second gear. Came back, checked the fluid, it was low, refilled it again. Then it was getting first and second, wouldn't get third. Came back, checked it, it was a little low, but not low enough to actually do anything crazy. So I filled it, then again, came back, drove it, and now just first, second, and third. So we're gonna go for a drive. I'm gonna let you guys see what's going on. And this is the worst part about it is I know better than buying a used transmission, even if it's from a reputable place, because what they do, and I knew this, and I kept D-Man over there kept saying, oh, you said you wasn't gonna get a used one. I did, I said I wasn't. But the deal, which I thought was a deal, was seemingly not, because now, hold on. I broke that hinge. I broke that hinge. So I gotta use this. But either way, it seemed like it was a deal. And now I'm in for like 8 hours of labor. Probably more like 12 hours of labor without a vehicle that can properly drive. So this is not my first time. I only kick myself so hard because I've never had good luck with used transmissions. I always say, if I don't get it from a crashed vehicle that was like recently crashed, I won't even bother buying it, because this is the type of thing that happens. And it's happened to me so frequently that I can't blame anybody but myself, because I knew that this was a possibility, and I was trying to get my old girl going, man. Look at it, look at it, look at my old, she's dirty right now, she's dirty. Y'all know I usually keep a mess anyway, but all right, we'll do this. Be right back, sir. I knew she had some problems, but boy, oh boy, I tell you what, it's bad. I got my Civic over there for sale. Anybody want to buy a photo 5-speed J-Spec engine swap Civic? Runs and drives with AC, power windows, hit me up. All right, so we're in reverse, going in the drive. That's an exhaust leak, by the way, so first gear. I did not put that in neutral. I had to go to 5 grand, let off, and then it just shifted. That is what this transmission is doing. So let's go. I am disgusted. It's a lot of work, man. All right, so for context, we're gonna start over. All the way down. And now the fluid is good. Filters changed, there's a brand new filter in there. That was like 30 bucks. All right, let's go. That's first gear, second gear. That's third gear. Just shifted. That's fourth gear. Torque converter will not lock up. So at 60 miles an hour, I'm at 4 grand. That is not normal. No matter how many ways they try to tell you this is a new normal. That is not normal. Oh my goodness, like, man, when I say my heart is in my stomach right now, like, Jesus Christ. Like, I know people probably think I'm making these videos about these L's that I take, like, as just making fun of myself. I promise you, like, I'm not. This is real, like, this really, really happened. That's an exhaust leak, so don't mind the noise. I guess the main problem is with this whole thing is that I just spun like a stack, and the first thing that people told me at the junkyard is there's no refunds, only exchanges. But I had the opportunity to buy the warranty for parts and labor just in case this happened, and I declined it because it was an extra 150 bucks. But that 150 right now would have netted me, I don't know, like an additional 200 bucks and save me from that. Really happened, really happened. So yeah, man, I'm looking crazy in the face right now. Straight up looking crazy in the face, because I could have just, I should have just used that money for tires for my other truck that needs to get done. And yeah, so now I'm out of stack and I got a choice to make. I'm gonna call the junkyard and let them know what's up, but either way I would have to pull this thing out again, pull it out, and then Jesus Christ, I really don't want to do it. I have to pull it out again, take it back to the junkyard, get another one, come back again, put it in, and pray for better results this time. What y'all think? Because I think I'm about to let this bad boy go. I love my old girl, man. She done been with me for like 12 years. And it's a cold vehicle when it runs right. The exhaust leak, that was nothing major. I'll fix that. I just needed to get this thing moving. And yeah, that's what we got going on. So, man, the tranny bad, man. It's bad. Listen, y'all like, share, and subscribe. We'll talk to my man Peter right here. Bless up. And yeah, man, the real life drama. This is real life, like, and I think it's leaking fluid now too. That's great. Wow. Until next time, mi gente, vi promundo beneficio siempre. Peace.